Job seeker is someone who is looking for work or looking for an opportunity to start a new career. Who is the job seeker? Let's watch the following snippet.
Hello, I'm Zafira Katrina, and I'm at the Zara Construction Company and have an interview with the employer now.
Employer is the name of the company or organization where you currently work. Who is the employer? Let's watch the following snippet.
Is Rizky 20 as an employer in Zara House Solution Company, and today I'm gonna do an interview with some candidates.
Good morning, Mr.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm doing great, Mr. Thank you for asking. Well, I'm problem with traffic jam. I also almost late, but I think I was
Yeah, in this area there is always serious traffic jam. Wait always to compress about very time ago to work. Okay, moving on. I'm a little bit serious. May I know where your phone about our company and when you is that in house?
So I found this actual publication on the job search website, and I feel that this company is very interesting. And I also heard from my friends who work here that this company accepts fresh graduates like me.
You see, well, Diva, I was looking through your city and I got to see your experience is very interesting. I love to hear more about interview.
Thank you. I'm more than happy to talk about it.
Would you tell me more about yourself?
Sure, I would. First of all, thank you for inviting me to take part in this job interview. I'm glad to be able to take part in this interview.
My pleasure.
So, I graduated from high school with a focus on computer science, and now I'm 19 years old, and I'm also interested in data and organization.
Oh, so you are first with a focus on computers, and is there any experience you can tell me about when you were still a student?
I volunteered in the school office where I have to input student data and also organization files. This is an experience that I pursue. Unfortunately, I don't know about how the other candidates are, so you have the advantage of knowing them more than you. However, I think that your company offers great products, great service, and also a beautiful service website, even more so compared to your competitors. However, I think your company could use a little boost in its online presence. In my current role, I'm responsible for writing ideas for various media, blogs, and partners. I also manage social media accounts and content creation, so that definitely something that I can help you with.
Okay, well, if you tell within a week and let you know, do you have any questions?
Not at the moment. Thank you.
You're welcome. It was great to meet you. Thanks for coming in today.